Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I am actually going to try to write something else on using Writesonic. That's the software that I like to use for artificial intelligence, and it saves me a whole lot of time. So let's do content that you can use. Ooh, we can use the keyword extractor. What are we gonna do today? Let's see. Oh, press releases. There we go. So we can have a press release. So let's see. Product, service, name. So, I'm going to use just one of the businesses that I have and then information, save money. Corporation is a business that is created to help people in need of um, getting a divorce without the high cost of legal fees. Let's see. Anyone can hire a divorce preparation company, but we have 10 years experience in the field. All right. Never tried this before. Let's see. Target keyword divorce preparation. And there's different ones. Let's see professional. And then we do that. Let's see. Of course, sometimes there's tweaking because of how the wording may be done. Oh, it's done. All right, intro. Okay, I wrote that. And then celebrates 10 years in business. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Intro, the work preparation company. The work preparation is celebrating its 10-year anniversary this week. The company's founder, John Doe, of course, will change that. Started the business to offer an alternative for people who need help getting divorced but don't want to spend money on expensive legal fees. Anyone can hire divorce preparation, but divorce has seen over 10 years experience in the field and has helped thousands of people get divorced without needing to spend any money on lawyers. This is actually so good. This is so good. And I think we can actually use this as a short press release and, maybe add a few more things to it and definitely syndicate it out there. This is actually really, really good. So I'm impressed. I'm totally impressed. I didn't expect it to be this good. This is something, this one right here, I can definitely use this. Oh, and I think there's another one here. The preparation of business dedicated to help people in need of getting divorced without high cost of legal fees. Anyone can hire divorce preparation will have 10 years experience in the field. Our new website. Oh, okay. Like if I had any website, we'll make it easier for you to find our service and get the support they need in their time of need. This is right here. This is perfection. I mean, that's perfection. That along with maybe a little video or, just an image will definitely be a short, cute little short press release. I'm truly impressed. How long did that take me? Well, how long did it take Writesonic? It didn't take that long. I'm truly impressed. But so it's for short press releases, Writesonic is definitely a go. If you don't have Writesonic, want to get it, link down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help, but I use all the tools that I demonstrate and I do tutorials on my channel. I use all of them. So for one thing or another, and I do videos recording when I discover new things like this one. All right. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment. Let me know if you used a artificial intelligence for writing articles and for what type of article. And if you like of me to demonstrate something else, let me know and I'll make a video for it. All right. Until next video. Bye.